The art of accepting apologies, rebuilding trust and moving forward. Hello, language learners. Today, we'll be diving into a crucial aspect of cultural understanding in English-speaking societies: accepting apologies and rebuilding trust. Everyone makes mistakes, but it's how we respond and recover from those mistakes that truly matters. Accepting an apology isn't just about saying, "It's okay." It's a nuanced process, reflecting one's understanding, empathy, and willingness to move on. In English-speaking cultures, the way one accepts an apology often dictates the nature of the relationship moving forward. 1. Personal growth. By accepting apologies, both parties can reflect, learn, and grow from the situation. 2. Relationship strengthening. It allows relationships, whether personal or professional, to move past hiccups and continue on a stronger footing. 3. Cultural expectation. In many Western societies, accepting an apology graciously is seen as a sign of maturity and understanding. While "it's okay" is common, there are several other ways to convey acceptance. Here are some. 1. I appreciate your apology. This indicates you value their recognition of the mistake. 2. Thank you for acknowledging that. Shows you recognize their effort in accepting their error. 3. Let's move past this. A way to indicate the desire to progress beyond the current situation. 4. I forgive you. A more profound way of saying you've let go of any resentment. Once an apology is accepted, the next step is often to rebuild trust. Here's how. 1. Open dialogue. Encourage an open conversation about the issue to ensure both parties understand each other. 2. Set boundaries. Clearly state what behavior is expected moving forward. 3. Commit to change. The person who apologized should show through their actions that they have changed or are taking steps to prevent repeating the mistake. 4. Give time. Trust isn't rebuilt overnight. Understand that it may take time for wounds to heal and for trust to be fully restored. After rebuilding trust, it's essential to focus on moving forward. Here's what you can do. 1. Avoid dwelling. Continually bringing up the past mistake can hinder progress. Focus on the present and future. 2. Re-establish common goals. Whether it's a project at work or a personal relationship, revisit shared objectives to align efforts. 3. Seek external support. Sometimes, it helps to involve a third party, like a counselor or mediator, especially in more serious situations. 4. Celebrate small wins. Recognizing small milestones in the process of rebuilding trust can be very motivating. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, accepting apologies and rebuilding trust are essential components of maintaining healthy relationships in English-speaking cultures. We hope this video has given you insights and practical tips to navigate these situations. Until next time, keep learning and growing.